Air fryer recipe 12. Use a spoon to compact the middle of the bread. Add cheese and meat floss. Wrap it in the tin foil. Eggs, minced garlic, chopped green onion. You can enjoy your delicious breakfast now.